ToonieToonie!
Hey kids, let's learn Spanish with ToonieToonie! And today, numbers! 1. Uno. 2. Dos. 3. Tres. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis. 7. Siete. 8. Ocho. 9. Nueve. 10. Diez. Great job, kids! Now let's count to 10, starting with English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good! And now, let's hear you count in Spanish. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that was amazing! Muy bien!